What they gon' be? $52-week low. This is how we go. Hit. Dope. Better trader than you. Let's go. Full alert. What is up, party people? You know what I did. You already know what I did. I don't even gotta tell you what I did. You see the smile ear to ear. You know I made money. You just want to hear how much, right? With some men. Night. Oh, I took profit. You know I took my profit. You know I took my profit. Why would I trade if I'm not taking profits? That would be silly. And we're not silly. We're here to make millies. Oh, and Hip had a day. Full alert. Aurora Cannabis is on a full alert. Full alert. Haha. Woo! It's gonna be hard to ruin my day today. I'll tell you that much. So, all right, I'm gonna tell you what's up. Okay, I want to tell you guys what's popping. So, what a day. So I go to my account pre-market and I'm like, oh, Aurora was up pre-market. I did sell my VFF yesterday. I sure did. I sold my VFF yesterday for a $450 profit. I sold my Aurora Cannabis yesterday for a $100 profit. Then I re-entered into Aurora yesterday with 1,000 shares. And this morning, I go to my account pre-market. Aurora's at a 11.26. And I'm like, oh yeah, I was excited. Then I see it shoot up to $12. And I'm like, sell. And I sold that bad boy, made myself $1,000. And I was done for the day. Woo! It feels so good when you're right. It feels so good when you're right. And man, I called that shit. And yeah, I called that shit. So don't say I didn't call it when I called it. I told you when I bought it. I told you when I sold it. I'm up $1,550 for the week, and it's Wednesday. And my goal is $400 a day. So I'm up on my goal so far. So I'm done for the day. I don't need to buy anything else. I'm happy. I'm content. My goal is $400 a day. I'm on pace to break that this week. So I'm achieving my goal. And you got to learn to be happy. You got to learn to be satisfied. You have to learn to be happy with winning. Okay? I'm going to tell you guys why I bought Aurora. I made it very clear to you guys. I broke it down. I explained it to you guys. Bam! There it is. There we go. 100% buy, top 1% signal strength. There you go. You wanted to know why I bought it. I'm telling you guys right now. When you see 100% buy, top 1% signal strength, that is the strongest indicator you could possibly get for power, for momentum. And I just felt that Aurora was building momentum and I had to do something about it. So I did. I bought some. And then this morning, when I saw my returns and I saw my account up $1,000, I would have been stupid not to take $1,000 in one day, right? How many people work a whole week to make $1,000? I'm going to be able to make that in less than 24 hours? Hell yeah, I'm going to take that $1,000 return. And I did. Okay? And I'm proud of it. I don't regret it. I never even contemplated, I never even thought about holding it for a second. As soon as I saw I was up $1,000, I took that bad boy. Of course I'm glad I got back in. And you know what? I told you guys yesterday why I got back in. So I sold it. And then after I sold it, I saw it go up to a 1% signal strength. And I'm like, oh shit. I'm like, I got to get back in this bad boy. This is a 1% signal strength. So I got back in and I'm up for the win. And it feels so good to win. I love winning. Oh yeah, I'm super glad that I got back in. How you guys doing today? How you doing, Alex? How you doing, DG Stocks? How you doing, William? How you doing, Charlotte? How you doing, Court X? How you guys all doing today? Just wanted to share with you guys my winnings because I told you guys I was going to get back into the market this week in a big way because I've been kind of almost finished my renos here. And I said, okay, I'm going to get back into the markets. I'm going to get back into winning and get back into making money in the markets. And yeah, you know, that's what I did. So, you know, I just wanted to share my experience with you guys. Now you guys are asking why. Here's the news right here. Aurora Cannabis Inc. today announced it has appointed Nelson Peltz. You smoking shatter? Careful, man. Smoking shatter and playing the markets could be very dangerous. I did sell my Aurora Cannabis. I sure did. Aurora Cannabis today announced that it has appointed Nelson Peltz as a strategic advisor. Mr. Peltz and Aurora will work collaboratively and strategically to explore potential partnerships that would be optimal strategic fit for successful entry into each of Aurora's contemplated market segments. Mr. Peltz will also advise on the company's global expansion strategy. Everyone's like, when are they going to get $1 billion partner? When are they going to get $1 billion partner? When are they going to get $1 billion partner? Mr. Peltz is a billionaire, folks. Nelson is a global recognized business visionary with a strong track record of constructive engagement to generate accelerated, profitable growth and shareholder value across many industry verticals that are great interest to us. Like us, Nelson also takes a long-term view of the value creation to benefit all stakeholders. Hey man, the modus operandi of a CEO is to build shareholder value and shareholder equity. And Terry Booth, you are doing a great job, my friend. Congratulations on all your success. Terry Booth says, we look forward to working with Nelson to further extend our global cannabis industry leadership by aligning Aurora with each of the major market segments cannabis is set to impact. I believe Aurora has a solid execution track record, is strongly differentiated from its peers, has achieved integration throughout the value chain, and is poised to go to the next level across a range of industry verticals. I also believe that Canadian licensed producers, and Aurora in particular, are well positioned to lead in the development of the international cannabis industry. Sounds like your boy. As regulations evolve with a strong global replicable operating model. This is Nelson Peltz, strategic advisor of Aurora Cannabis. I look forward to working with Terry and the extended Aurora team to evaluate its many operational and strategic opportunities, including potential engagement with mature players in consumer and other market segments. This is the billionaire that's going to bring the billionaire partners. This is the guy. This is why the stock is exploding today. It ain't just exploding because your boy Rich bought it, okay? I wish that was the case, but it's not, folks. It is exploding because of Nelson Peltz. Nelson Peltz is the chief executive officer and founding partner of Tryon Fund Management LP, a multi-billion-dollar investment management firm. I say pardon? Mr. Peltz also currently serves as the non-executive chairman of the Wendy's Company and as the director of the Procter & Gamble Company. Whoa, this guy's got a resume, folks. Cisco Corporation and the Madison Square Garden Company. That's in New York, folks. That's the New York stadium where the Knicks play. And I think it might be where the Rangers play. That's big. My goodness. This guy's no joke, eh? This guy is absolutely no joke. He was previously a director of H.J. Heinz Company, Legg Mason Inc., Ingersoll Rand PLC, and Mondelez International Inc., among other companies. Mr. Peltz formerly served as chairman and chief executive officer of Triarch Companies Inc., which during his tenure owned Arby's Restaurant Group Inc. and Snapple Beverage Group, as well as other consumer and industrial businesses. Mr. Peltz was also chairman and chief executive officer of Triangle Industries Inc., the largest packaging company in the world and a Fortune 100 industrial company. When that company was acquired by Pecini SA, a leading international metals and packaging company, Mr. Peltz began his business career by joining the family's food distribution business. Mr. Peltz advisory services to Aurora will be provided through 280 Park ACI Holdings LLC. Now let's hear what he got. Option grant in consideration for the services to be provided by the senior advisor. The company has granted options. Are you ready for this? To the senior advisor to purchase 19,961,754 common shares in the company at a price of $10.34 per share, lower than it's currently trading right now. Let's take a look at where it's trading at $11.71 currently. And if we pull up the chart here on TradingView, we'll see how this bad boy has performed today. Let's take a look at Aurora Cannabis. Let's see here, ACB. I always like to look at the Canadian price just because it's higher. Look at that move. Look at this 5-day move. Bam! Huge explosion all the way up. Went as high today of $12.33. Wish I sold it at that price. But it's currently at $11.70. Had a dip down to $11.50. Currently riding back up. Who knows? Is this going to go for another run? It looks like it's positioned to go for another run right now. It looks the way it's climbing that it's going for another run. Love to know what you guys think. If you like this video, smash the like button. Comment down below. Share the video everywhere. If I win and you win, we all win. The options will vest ratably over a 4-year period on a quarterly basis, subject to accelerated vesting based on the occurrence of certain specific events, which include the consummation of certain defined transactions and the closing price of Aurora's common shares being at least 31 Canadian and additionally 41 Canadian for a specified number of trading days. Excuse me? So are you trying to say that he will convert those shares at those prices? Are you assuming that this is going to 30 to 40 bucks? Because if it is, I'm going all in. You know I'm going back in. You know I'm going back in. This is big. This is freaking big. The senior advisor may exercise any portion of the option that has been vested on or prior to the 7th anniversary of the date of the grant. The company has granted the senior advisor registration rights relating to the common shares to be acquired through the exercise of the option. So this is the big news that is driving the stock. They're talking about the stock going to 30 or 40 bucks. It's currently at 11. That's like a 300 to 400% upside from here. That's pretty big. And Nelson just got himself a huge chunk of coin. A huge chunk of coin. And I'd love to know what you guys think about this news. This is the news that is driving the stock bonkers right now. Nelson Peltz to advise Aurora Cannabis and gains 19.96 million options stake. So 20 million options. So the way that works is, let's say he gets the options at 10:30 and the stock goes to $20. He's able to buy at 10:30 and then execute at 20 and double his money. That's pretty ridiculous. If it goes to 40, he's going to make 300% on his money. And obviously he's very wealthy. Otherwise, he wouldn't go for 20 million in options. 20 million options at $10 is $200 million. That's how much he has to put into the company. So to buy the stake. So this is kind of a win-win scenario for Aurora and for Nelson Peltz. It's kind of like showing confidence that they both believe that this is going way higher. And it's giving me confidence to believe that this bad boy is going to go way higher. Now the question is, how much higher? And can we find a dip? And will this dip happen anytime soon? Because right now, Aurora has a hell of a lot of power. Hell of a lot of power. And it's gaining steam. And I told you guys, if I see a 10% move, I'm going to take it. And I did. I don't hesitate, guys. You got to stick to your guns, man. When you see profits, take them. Stick to your guns. Know your role. Know your game. Stay in your lane. How do you like Aurora? Up 117% since August of last year. 84% since December 24th. And 28% since February 20th. This bad boy has absolutely been on fire. And that's why today I had to take my money and run. Now, I might regret it. I sold it higher than where it is right now. So I'm quite happy with my execution. But as you can see, it is climbing. So I wouldn't be surprised to see this finish over $12 today. I would not be surprised to see this trading over $12 today by the time the day is done. Okay? So that is my Aurora Cannabis story. I brought it to you guys first when it was under $2. It's now at 11. It's been a huge success. It's been my #1 pick since day one. It's consistently been making me money. Just made me another $1,000 today. Made me $100 on Monday. I'm up $1,100 on Aurora Cannabis this week. Super happy about it. Can't really complain. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. I appreciate all your support. If you're not winning, you're probably not watching. This is your boy Rich bringing you the news, explaining to you what happened with Aurora, what I did, why I did it, and how much I made. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. I got to go back to do some trading. Maybe thinking about buying some Hexo today. They just acquired New Strike Brands. Love that deal. Thought about buying it when it was up 2 to 3%. Now it's up 5%. Should I buy it now? I don't know. I'll be thinking. I'll let you guys know what I do. Thank you guys for watching. This is your boy Rich, and I'm Mo. This is your captain speaking. Peace. Thank you guys for watching. Your boy's out. Back to work. Just wanted to share with you guys my story. And now that I'm done, there's really not much else to talk about. I'm not going to just stay live because there's like 96 people watching. But thank you guys for watching. I really, really appreciate it. And remember, don't chase the stock just because you heard it here first. FOMO is real. Buy a stock because you love it. Buy a stock because you've done the due diligence and you believe it's going to be a winner. And if it goes down, you can live with it because you're the one buying it. So if it goes down, you're going to have to live with it. Not me, you. So buy it because you love it, not because you heard it here first on Rich TV Live. But remember, FOMO is real. What? FOMO, you know the deal. Spin the wheel. The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. What? What? You know the deal. Spin the wheel.
I know you missed it, but we gon' get it back. Get it back. Natural Shrimp Inc. Look, that's how we shag. SHMP, we call it forward blew up. I bet you wish you had it in your hands so that you knew us. We gon' get this money. Don't be scared to get this money. Not afraid to get this money. Always on my mind is money. It might slip up out your hands, but the crew is here to reinforce. Rich TV, with the picks are the #1 choice. Hey, you got some dollars, go invest that shit.
Thank you, Stock Gods, for my daily bread today. What's next, Stock Gods? Give me a sign.
Whatever you do, do it like you're doing it right. Cause in the stock game, you know it's either fight or flight. Whatever you do, do it like you're doing it
Oh, I'd love to stay live, Brent, but there's money to be made in these markets, brother. I gotta go make some cheese. I gotta make some cheese. Plus, I got another video I'm gonna drop here in about 40 minutes. So, I got some more tricks up my sleeve, so stay tuned. F-O-L-O, you know the deal. Spin the wheel. Ooh, it's climbing at 1183. Let's go. To the phone ring. Chasing rainbows, I'm always down for a pot of gold. And when the stocks are calling shit, I'm like, I gotta go. If you never watch, I guess you all missing out. Never winning, I'ma keep on spending, never running out. Yeah, this the bigger Hexo is on fire. They just acquired New Strike Brands, HIP, and WKRF in America. That's the big news with Hexo. You know the deal. The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. What? The FOMO's real, the FOMO's real, the FOMO's real. What? You know the deal. I'm smoking some Aurora all the way to the fucking bank. $1,000 today in a couple minutes. And I'm done for the day. Woo, what a tough life. What a tough life we live. Your boy's out.